Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to continue talking about face correction methods and going to cover biorevitalization and mesotherapy. Both of those methods are basically injection of different substances in the surface or deeper layers of your derma. Many modern sources of information state that those methods are painless, don't have any side effects, and fit everybody. And that is true, they have the least amount of side effects comparing to face contouring, thread lifting, or Botox. And they actually have a positive effect on the quality of your skin. But you still should not think that it's 100% safe. So, first of all, let's talk about the differences between biorevitalization and mesotherapy. First of all, mesotherapy is not a rejuvenation method, but it helps with rosacea, cuprosis, acne and post-acne, and fighting very local fat sacs if the active substance is a lipolytic. And biorevitalization actually rejuvenates and hydrates your skin and fights wrinkles. Its main active component is hyaluronic acid. It is a natural skin component. It is being produced in your skin in a bigger amount when you're younger. But with age, the process of its production slows down. And biorevitalization procedure provides the skin with hyaluronic acid, stimulating the natural production of collagens and elastins in your skin. However, the hyaluronic acid that is used in the substances during biorevitalization is produced chemically, and therefore I would think about it. And the molecular structure of synthetic hyaluronic acid is different from the natural one. On the one hand side, it prolongs the effect from the procedure, but on the other hand side, it's a foreign substance for your body, which might cause inflammation. And if you do the procedure of biorevitalization way too often, your skin stops producing hyaluronic acid at all, and as soon as you stop, it's gonna look way worse. And therefore, you get addicted to those procedures. So, first of all, who shouldn't do this procedure at all because it's not gonna help? Women with smooth and thick skin who have deformational aging type, as well as those of you who has problems with lymphatic flow, since hyaluronic acid will increase swelling even more. If you have tiny wrinkles all over your face, this procedure is good for you, but prepare yourself, the places of injection might look like this for up to 3 days. It is very often said that procedure of biorevitalization can be done from 25 years old. But the process of hyaluronic acid production only slows down at 35 to 40 years old. Therefore, ladies who did this procedure when they were 25, at 35 are gonna look exactly the same as people who did not do that at all. And now let's talk about contradictions. You should not do this procedure if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, if you have a cold or an infection, if you have herpes or personal intolerance of the substance. Side effects after this procedure could be seen as swellings, bruises, red spots on your skin, and if you have low blood pressure, you might also experience headaches. If you have a professional doing this procedure, he will make sure that he talks about all the side effects first. However, he has to rely on what you say, and therefore might not know that you have an allergic reaction to some substances. And in order to recognize all the side effects, I would recommend doing some tests first. But at the end of the day, your decision is always the last one. And at the end of this video, I want to give you an alternative advice if you don't want to do any injections into your skin and stay young. First of all, look into your nutrition. Make sure that it's full of beans and grains, greenery, fruits and vegetables. Drink more water. Take care of your body posture, loosen your neck muscles. In order to improve skin nutrition, you can do vacuum cupping once a week, as well as light pinching massage that you can do every day. Links to those massages I will attach in the description below. As well as later on, I'm going to make a separate playlist for that, so it's more convenient for you and you can just click on it. If you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. And click the bell to be the first one to see our new video.